Are you ready to take your website to the next level? Well, you are in luck because the future of web creation is here and it is called the Elementor AI. With these revolutionary new features, you can boost your productivity like never before. Imagine being able to write or improve your website text, translate it into different languages, and generate custom code, all without ever having to write a single line yourself. Now, Elementor AI is the ultimate tool for web creators who want to take their work to the next level. It is like having your own personal assistant dedicated to making your website the best it can be. Join us as we dive into the exciting world of Elementor AI and see how it can transform your web creation process. So right now, here is the website, the AI page of Elementor website. You can see the future is here, but one thing about this is that they are still planning to launch it. It is not yet out, but this is a game changer for a lot of website developers that use Elementor. If you check their website, there's a video that they posted about some of the features of the Elementor AI. So as you can see, you can write text by yourself just like this. Write a 4 to 8 hero about this. You can see that it automatically generates the content by itself. You can also improve the content or write some other description for your website. You can generate the perfect title. You can choose the tone that you wanted to write and many other things. It works like almost, but not the same thing, but almost like ChatGPT. And this will actually make things easier for a lot of website developers, and it's gonna save you many more time. You can write anything. You can make your text shorter. You can make it longer. You can add different features on your website with this AI, and you can also write codes with it. You can write a CSS code with this Elementor AI, so which means that you don't need to search for code online. All you need to do is to type the kind of code that you want to use. Just type it there and it will automatically write the code for you. So just insert the code and you are good to go. You can see how the code works. You don't need to write any single code, so which means that you don't need to have any knowledge about programming to use Elementor. You can also write another code like this, make the text move horizontally in a loop, generate code. You can see that it generated the code, and once they inserted it, the effect was already on the website. You can also write HTML code, not just CSS. You can write JavaScript code also. You can write HTML code. You can see how this works. So let's check it. You can see that it drew the code and insert. You can see how this works perfectly. This works perfectly. I know you might have been having a lot of questions in your heart concerning when will this be launched, but let us check another page of their website about their 2023 roadmap. Okay, you can see in the second quarter of 2023, Elementor will be introducing Elementor AI. So, which means that this actually will be launched very soon. They said the second quarter of 2023. So, get ready for this game-changing tool for Elementor. And now, how can you have access to this? So, let me go back to the first page, and you can see that you can join their waiting list. So, just write your full name right here and your email address. So, once you write your full name and your email address, just click here, accept their terms and conditions, then click on notify me. So once Elementor AI is out, you are going to be among the first set of people that will be notified of this, and you can always explore the amazing features. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates and for more videos like this. Thank you.